Hi, my name is Kurt Olson. I'm Vice President of Business Development at VPI Technology. We're based in Draper, Utah, close to Salt Lake City. Here at InfoComm 2026, we're excited to make a big announcement. We've been designated by a company called Morse Micro out of Sydney, Australia, as their first North America design partner for their groundbreaking technology called Wi-Fi HaLo. Now, Wi-Fi HaLo is something everybody should know about. It is based on Wi-Fi protocols and standards, but it operates at a lower frequency, which allows it to operate at a much longer range and penetrate through materials that typical Wi-Fi cannot do. So it can go through concrete and through block walls and so forth. And as you can see with some of the animations here, you get excellent throughput, but you can cover an entire house or an entire industrial building with a single access point. So access points are already available, the chipsets are available, and now we're getting into endpoints that can be designed with this chipset involved and give you excellent coverage and range that you just simply can't get with Wi-Fi. So we're excited to be their designated partner, so if you have a project where you would like to implement this technology, please give us a call.